wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Woo! Today we are gonna do
Science!
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 Science! Science! Science! Okay, I think the kids now know we're doing
Yeah.
science.
That was really low.
And a lot. You're always super excited about science.
Yes, I really love science.
You really?
Mm-hmm. Do you want to know what we're gonna learn about today?
Oh yes, because today you prepared this lesson, didn't
I'm
you?
really excited about this one.
Kids, listen. This is going to be a great episode.
Yay! So what I want to talk about today, kids, is that in the ocean, if you go way down deep in the ocean, it's very, very dark. Yeah.
Oh, I'm scared.
Yeah. Maybe some fish are afraid of the dark too.
Is it as dark as when I close my eyes?
It's even darker. Yeah.
Even darker.
Yeah, parts of the ocean are actually supposed to be the darkest places on the earth. It's so deep and so dark, scientists actually can't always see what's in the ocean. So there could be a whole lot of animals we don't even know about yet.
Oh, but don't scare me. I don't think this is an episode to scare me.
It's not scary. They're really cool animals.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, do you want to know something cool that some of the animals really deep in the ocean can do?
Yes.
What they can do is a thing called bioluminescence.
What?
Yeah, bioluminescence. It means they can glow.
Glow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wait, can I just say one thing?
Uh-huh.
You know what bioluminescence means?
Means
It comes from Greek. Bio is from Greek, means living.
living, bio.
And luminescence is Latin, which means light, glowing.
Light. Illuminate.
Exactly.
Yeah, very cool. I did not know that.
Ha. Okay, now you can go on.
Thank you. So bioluminescence is in many marine.
Marine?
Do you know what that means?
No.
It means water.
Water? Oh, okay.
Yep, so many marine organisms, which is like plants and animals or organisms, anything alive.
Got it.
So many of them have bioluminescence. So they can glow like,
So when they're deep in the ocean,
deep.
they glow, they light up?
Yep. Wow. Yeah. Some animals that can glow in the ocean are things like jellyfish. And worms.
Worms?
Yeah, there are worms in the ocean.
Whoa.
Whoa. And also sea stars.
Sea stars. Oh, I love sea stars.
Me too. And fish. And even
Don't say. Don't.
some
No. Don't.
sharks.
Sharks!
Yep.
Sharks!
Sharks!
Ah!
Sharks!
Hide!
They're not here. It's okay. There are no sharks here.
Oh.
We're on land.
Okay, for a moment there, I thought you were going to show us a shark.
Ooh, that would have been neat. Wait. Shark on the board!
Shark! No! Quick!
It's okay. Whew. It's a picture.
Oh, it's just a picture.
Whew.
You scared me. See, I told you shouldn't be scaring me.
Yeah, I scared us. I scared myself too. Whoa. Do you want to know something else that's really, really cool?
Yes.
There are over 1,500 species that we know of that glow or luminesce.
1,500? That seems like a lot.
Yeah, it's so many. It's like if you took a class at school that has like maybe 30 students, it'd be like bigger than your entire school. Whoa. Yeah. Crazy.
That is crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Those are a lot of organisms.
It is a lot of organisms. Do you know why these organisms glow?
Yes!
You do?
Yes!
Ooh, will you tell us?
No!
No.
No!
Oh. Please. Please, 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 please.
Okay, just for you.
Thank you.
And the kids.
Yay, kids.
Just for the kids.
Just for the kids.
And you.
And me.
There are actually, let me tell you, there are actually 4 reasons
4?
why animals in the ocean glow.
Whoa.
1
1.
is camouflage.
Ooh, like they hide.
They hide, exactly.
Wow.
They light up and it looks like they have disappeared.
Whoa.
Like a squid, for example.
Yeah.
If you view a squid from underneath, it disappears against the light of the moon and stars.
Because the light in the moon and the stars is light and it glows, so it's light too?
Exactly.
Wow.
So it looks like it's not there, even though it's there.
That's really cool.
Pretty interesting, huh? 2. The second reason why animals glow in water is attraction.
Ooh, like if you really like someone and you want them to be close to you.
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. Oh.
There's one animal that will make sure it'll glow somewhere to attract another animal to come close to them. But then they do it in order to eat them.
Ah, don't eat me! I'm not food.
Do you want to know which animal does that?
Which animal does that?
A shark.
Whoa.
There's a shark that on its belly, it has a small spot.
Whoa.
Not the whole belly and not the whole body. Just a small spot on the belly.
So just a little part of the shark?
Exactly. It
Wow.
lights up. It glows
Yeah.
to attract other bigger fish, predators, enemies,
Uh-huh.
to swim to that light
Whoa.
because they think it's a small fish. And then just when they want to eat that small light, the shark attacks back because it's bigger than that
Oh, wow.
and goes.
So the shark looks small to them, but it's not.
Exactly.
Whoa.
And then they eat it.
Yeah, that's crazy. Trickery.
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 That's the second reason. You want to know the third reason?
Yes, what's the third reason?
The third reason is repulsion.
Repulsion, like when I'm like, get away. Ew, 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 ew.
Exactly.
Oh.
But animals do it to protect themselves.
Oh.
So they shoot out some bioluminescent light.
Whoa. So like they shoot it into the water and the water glows?
Yes.
Whoa.
And that other enemy fish is like, whoa, no, I can't, I need to leave. Run.
Run! I don't know why the ocean's glowing!
And while that enemy fish leaves, the fish or animal that did it, they then leave and go to safety.
Yeah, and you can just swim away and be like, la la la, I made the water glow and I am safe.
Exactly.
Oh, that's neat. That's very smart.
Can you guess the fourth reason why animals glow?
No.
Communication.
Oh, that's like when we talk to each other like we're doing right now.
Exactly.
Wow, so does that mean they can maybe talk through light?
They talk through glowing light.
Glowing light.
Glowing light.
That's amazing.
Interesting, huh?
That's very interesting.
So, that all being said, kids, you just learned a lot.
Yeah, you learned a whole bunch. I learned a lot too.
Should we now show them what we have planned for them?
Yes. Did you want to go?
I wanted to say,
I'm sorry, you say.
we're gonna make something glow
Ooh, glow.
in water.
Yes.
So, yeah, you tell them.
Okay, wait, I'll ask you. Do you know why we're making it glow in water?
No.
Because we're talking about the ocean.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Kids, you knew that, right? Because you were paying attention and I wasn't paying attention.
Because the ocean is a lot of water.
Very, very dark.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to take some tonic water. Regular water would technically work, but tonic water will glow better.
Yeah. In order for you to understand why tonic water glows better, check out our other episode because we explained that in that one.
Yep. But so today we're going to take some tonic water that's right there. And then we're going to pour it into those 2 test tubes. And then in the test tubes, we're also going to add a little bit of zinc sulfide, which also glows. And then we're going to shake it up
With our black light.
Yes. And it will glow just like bioluminescence in the ocean.
Wow.
Whoa.
Can we start?
Yes, let's start.
Do I need to turn off the lights again?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Not yet. Okay, so let's recap. What we want for this experiment is a cup of tonic water, and then we're going to use 2 test tubes with lids. And we're going to use some zinc sulfide powder. So,
Which is glow in the dark powder.
yeah, glow in the dark powder.
Okay, do you want me to put in the tonic water
Yes,
into
will you
the test tube?
please? Mm-hmm.
Okay, I can do that.
Yep.
Fill it all up?
Just do half and half or whatever.
Half.
As much as we can get in there.
Um,
Oh yeah, you can put a little more in the first one.
Is that good?
That's perfect.
Okay, we don't need the water anymore, so I'll put that to the side.
And then we're going to take a little bit of the zinc sulfide. I'm just using the end of the spoon because it'll fit into the test tube easier. And we just drop it in there. And then I'm going to take... Ooh, it bubbles a little bit. That's because of the bubbles in the tonic water. And then we're going to take a little bit more zinc sulfide and put it in the other one. Okay, and now,
We put on the caps, right?
yep, put on the cap. And all right, so after we put those together, then we shake them, shake them, shake them, shake, 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 shake. We shook them up with the lid on real tight. And now, oh, no,
I should turn off the light, shouldn't I?
yeah,
Okay.
thank you. So while he's turning off the lights, I'll show you, this is the black light we're going to use to shine on the fluid we just made. Ooh, and the black light will make it glow. It shows the bioluminescence. Okay, let's wait for Noah to get back.
Okay, I'm back again.
Whew. And look.
Oh, safety glasses.
Oh, safety glasses.
I got my glasses on.
I got mine on too. Okay.
Now, what are we seeing?
So, inside these tubes, we are seeing the quinine, which is a thing that's in the tonic water,
Yes.
mixed with the zinc sulfide,
And that makes it glow.
and that makes it glow. It makes it luminescent. There's mine,
So cool.
and ooh,
And
there's
this is
yours.
how animals glow in the deep, dark blue ocean.
Yep,
Should I turn back on the light?
yep. We can turn back on all the lights.
Okay,
Oh,
I'll be back.
thank you. Wow, look at it glow. Isn't that cool? You can even see it a little bit in the light.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, kids, I think that was a great another lesson that we learned about luminescence. More specifically, bioluminescence.
Bioluminescence. This was awesome.
It was. I hope you kids out there had a lot of fun, learned something new, and enjoyed this episode.
Yeah, I definitely had a great time.
That's good.
Yay.
I guess that's it. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching Dream Again! We love doing science!
Science, science, science.
Science! Bye, kids! Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!